Hello everyone, a very warm good morning to you all. Hope you all are doing good. Now I'm so excited to show you a mini craft done by me during this lockdown time. It was nothing but the mini house and it was done exclusively with a waste cardboard, white paper and paints. It may not look good as you think, but this was the first mini craft done by me for my son. Now I'm going to show you each part. Here comes the Spider-Man mask frame, rocket frame, double bed, Peppa Pig frame, bookshelf, clock, window, curtain and study room, and the steps to go from the bedroom to study room, dustbin, mini chair, and this was completely upper portion of the mini house. Now coming to the lower portion, this side I did the kitchen with small stove, fridge, sink, hand wash, chopping board and the steps to go to the upper portion, and next small dining table yellow color with mini chairs, bathroom, dressing table, and this side mirror, powder, comb, flower vase, chair and chopping board. This was completely lower portion of the mini house. The complete overlook was just like this. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time in watching this. Thank you.